That is an excellent question, Sean. Let's see what we can figure out. Off to the garage. Some acrylic paint. You can get it at Michael's, probably Walmart, etc. My wife just happens to have a collection of them sitting around for years. So let's use it. This is kind of the closest color I have to my exterior stucco color. So we'll give it a whirl. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it together like normal. So I have no clue if this is going to work, but we'll find out together. Gonna let that dry. Second idea. I have some gold spray paint. Again, it's a close-ish kind of, maybe if you're colorblind, match to my stucco, but this is an experiment. So let's give this a whirl. Once again, put the command strip together exactly the way you normally would. And of course, well-ventilated space. Okay, let's see how these turn out. I'm thinking the spray paint is a lot better. And that was actually pretty darn easy. Okay, as you can see. Now they're both wet. The acrylic, I'm impatient, and that looks like crap. So I don't recommend going acrylic. But this random can of spray paint, and I think it's paint and primer in one, actually has turned out to pretty damn good looking. So once this dries, I'm going to just stick it up there, just on the wall, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, we're back outside. As I said, all I did was mount it here on the wall just for example. Obviously, the color doesn't match perfectly, but the point is to just make these more hidden, so you don't have that sticking out if you're on, say, the side. That's actually the reason why I actually took them down last year in January, is because my wife thought they looked tacky. But definitely, if you get a good color match on whatever kind of paint you'd like to use, I think this is a wonderful idea. Leave a comment, tell me what you guys think.